Okay, guys, so I just came outside and there's like a bunch of birds, and they're all in that one spot. They're so pretty. I don't know how many birds there are. I think there's like 1,000. See, look, you can see clearly. Hold on, let me go here. See those white and black things? Yeah, those are the birds. They're pigeons. I at least think they're pigeons. I don't know. Whoever knows, comment. Anyways, see, the birds are over here. I don't want to get too close, but they're flying away. I'm actually pretty scared. See, look at all that. I feel like one's gonna try and attack me and poop all over me. But there's acorns over here, so I think they want the acorns. Oh, I'm gonna start running because I'm not scared of birds. I just don't want them to poop on me. So they all float on the electrical cord, whatever it's called. It's like right over there. So I'm all the way over there. Let me try and get a good view from over there. So I was just playing by myself, like always, and I see like all those birds go all the way over there, and then I start to freak out because I'm like, oh my god, I haven't seen this many birds in so long. After I moved to Lakewood, people might think I'm crazy talking to myself, but I really had to talk to you guys about this because I just wanted to. I'm gonna be uploading a lot because I'm busy with school and stuff. So yeah, I at least hope somebody likes my videos because that'll make my day. Hold on. There's this one person named Royce, which is Lacey Watkins or Royce Watkins. And she's like my best friend. She always comments on my videos, and I always try to heart them. But back to the pigeons. There's many pigeons up there. See all them? Oh, there's a car over there. But see all these pigeons? Hold on, let me try to get some good lightings. Okay, so one just flew away. Alright, look at all these pigeons. That is insanely crazy. But I think more going all the way back to those acorns. I don't know if birds like acorns, but I know they like fruits and other things. And I know they like pooping on people, so I'm trying not to get too close. So if it has to poop, I'm not in its way of pooping. So it just poops on a place or something. Like if it poops on my head, I'm gonna be really mad because my hair is hard to wash out. See, like this hard. Because I have dreads, and since I have dreads, I don't know if you guys saw that, but this is my hair. These are dreads, and my mom braided my hair like that. So, back to the pigeons. I don't want them to poop on me because it's gonna be hard to wash out, and I just got dressed, and I don't feel like washing my hair. So back up a little. Oh, look. There's this perfect bird right here. I can get a good view with it. It's like, okay, I might have to. So, is this bird? I was very, very, very close to it until, I don't know, I just wasn't. Okay, so, don't blur. Okay, there are the birds. After the birds, I might just eat. Probably not. Anyways, I'll see. No, you'll see what I was gonna do. Just in a minute. Well, you guys could come with me since I already walked over here. I feel like it's not really far. And I did not move here. I am just here because my mom's friend wanted us to say the night, and my mom's friend has a daughter. I don't really like her. No, actually, I do. But actually, yeah, I do. Okay. Oh God, that scared me. I'm not gonna show anybody other than my head and my scalp and just my hair.